The world is constantly changing, and one of the most impactful areas of continuous breakthroughs is life science. The life sciences are a major branch of science dedicated to understanding, protecting, and improving all human, plant, and animal life on Earth. Here at QIU's Faculty of Integrated Life Sciences, our students learn the scientific techniques used to protect our world and make it a better home for everyone. Young people today are more empowered and aware than ever before. They are acutely aware of the global challenges we face. How to feed our growing population with sustainable food sources, how to protect our environment and the species that call our planet home, how to keep ourselves healthy, and how to deal with the adverse effects of climate change. If you're interested in finding solutions to these problems, our biotechnology and environmental technology programs give you the knowledge and tools to make a positive impact on the future.
The Faculty of Integrated Life Sciences is a multidisciplinary faculty pursuing innovative, emerging research and transformative education in the fields of biotechnology and environmental technology. In addition to degree programs in biotechnology and environmental technology, the faculty offers master's and PhD programs in science. We also offer foundation in science programs that can lead to a wide range of science-based degree programs including biotechnology, environmental technology, medicine, pharmacy, engineering, computing, and IT.
In today's world, the idea that a science graduate has to eventually work in the lab is simply outdated. In both biotechnology and environmental technology, we see game changers working in research, academia, regulatory bodies, communications, marketing, and so much more. There are so many ways to make a change, and that's why our students learn a massive range of skills that cross different scientific disciplines. They also go beyond the realms of life science, learning communication, entrepreneurship, IT, soft skills, and so much more so that they can future-proof their prospects.
We believe students learn best by doing, blending theoretical knowledge with the practical techniques they will employ as professionals. From the outset, they put the theories they've learned into practice in labs and facilities that mirror industry standards.
Our laboratories and facilities are designed with insights from industry leaders, ensuring that the students are kept abreast of the latest developments in a fast-changing field.
We have the chance to contribute to fascinating research projects that make an immediate, lasting impact. From the outset, you can see how they will help society, and that drives me to work hard. Outside of the classroom, we are regularly given opportunities to network with industry representatives. This gives us a unique window into the latest innovations and developments in the realms of biotechnology and environmental technology. We also get to form connections with people in the industry who can help us carve a career in the future.
The life sciences are challenging but rewarding. Throughout their time at QIU, students are guided by experienced, award-winning academics who are dedicated to holistic education. Along with lectures, fieldwork, and practicals, students also learn through mentoring sessions, supplementary tutoring, peer study groups, and academic coaching.
Nearly 100% of our lecturers are PhD holders with decades of experience in their fields. We want them to share their knowledge as much as they can, so we ensure that they are always accessible to the students. They have scheduled sessions with the students to recap and expand on the lesson, making sure that the students truly comprehend the lessons.
Another hallmark of the QIU experience is our commitment to competition. Our students regularly showcase their talents on the regional and international stage, triumphing against the best and brightest scientific minds. These competitions allow us to benchmark our students against global standards of excellence, while also exposing them to new challenges and diverse platforms. Ours is a proven formula. Our students have blazed promising career pathways, hit the ground running, and made an impact on their respective fields. They're making their presence felt at QIU and beyond. Now, it's your turn.